Hey, Katie, Planet Mitch from GiveAwayRocket.com. You asked today in the upViral group, am I able to select the clone option from the share page? Hey, Katie, thanks for liking my answer. Of a campaign, edit it a little, and use it in another campaign. Now, this is an interesting question. Or do I need to build another share page from scratch? Well, we would love to be able to do that completely from scratch. Here you are answering me while we talk. If I go over to upViral, here's the trick that I use. So let's suppose I'm going to go into my Fuji campaign that I ran for a client, and I'm going to go to the setup page, and we're talking about you set a share page, right? Let's suppose that I want to grab the share page. I'll give you a little preview of what it looks like. I didn't care for the colors that the user picked, but they wanted this yellow background, and we fooled around with the wording. Anyway, let's suppose we want that inside another campaign. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a brand new window. So I'm going to go in and do new window. And I have a couple of keyboard shortcuts, and I'm going to just kind of do, I'm going to go to upViral first. And this keyboard shortcut is going to move this window over to the right side of the page. And I'm going to make it a little bit smaller so that it shows up. And we'll make it look like that. And this one, I'm going to make it go to the left side of the page. I mean, that other left, that side. So here I have the edit window of that campaign. And let's suppose that I want that inside of this demo that I was doing. And so I go over here and I'm going to do social pages, share pages, and I have one similar to that, but let's just suppose I was going to make a new one, right? So I'm going to do create new share page, and I don't remember, let's see, which one was that? Oh, that's Sophia, right? No, that was, correct. No, that's Sophia. That's Sophia. Whatever. So, now that I have this open, I want it to look like this, right? So what you can do over in your main page is you can double click. Now when you do that, ignore this black window. That's a tool that I have called Pop Clip. But up here in the upViral editor, there is a code view. So if I select the code view, notice all this icky junky stuff comes up, and you're like, I don't know what that is, but I'm just going to do select all. And then I'm going to come over to this page, and I got to get something out of the way, so I'm going to click there. And I'm going to double click here to get that code view to come up. And I'm going to click code view, and I'm going to select all that stuff, and I'm just going to do paste. And that I obviously didn't do something right. Let me just right click over here and make sure I do copy. Because then I want to do paste. So there we go. And if I click in the little code view thing, look at that. So that entire section from this share page came over to here. Now obviously it's not everything. I still have buttons and widgets and stuff to fool with. But here's another section down here, and here's a section, right? So if I do code view over here, and I double click and I do code view over here, I can select all and do copy. There's the copy sound. Come over here and do select all and do paste. Then exit the code view. Look, that looks identical over here as it does over here. So while there isn't a clone function, you can quickly get the vast majority of what you want. Oh, I got this. This is messed up. Oops. Copy. You can go back and forth. Now, I did it in two windows on the side pane. You can obviously do it, if you got a laptop, you can just flip back and forth between windows. I thought it was a little more effective to have them side by side. But obviously, I think you see how you can quickly clone a page by copying and pasting. I hope that serves you. Let me know if you have any questions, and we will talk again soon.